Did you know that adding 3 eggs to chicken breast will make one of the most delicious recipes in the world? Let's start this recipe by adding 500 grams of chicken breast. We'll also need to add 3 eggs. Now let's season with salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now just mix it very well. To give more consistency to our recipe, we will add 100 grams of wheat flour. Then, continue mixing a little more. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I know if you're enjoying it. I'll add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and a little cilantro. And let's mix one last time. Now just finish the recipe by frying portions of the mixture in hot oil. The final result is a tasty and extremely delicious recipe, capable of pleasing anyone who eats it. And don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Thank you for watching until here. Until next time.